Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to change Instagram password. Very easy tutorial. So let's go. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Now get it to your profile. Next thing you need to do is to click on three slider. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on account center. Then you have to simply scroll down and then look for password and security. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on change password. Then if you have a multiple Instagram account, select the account you want to change the password. So I'm going to select this particular account. Then you'll be asked to enter new password for this particular username. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to type current password, new password, and retype. So right here, the current password is going to be the first. Then enter your new password. Then confirm your new password. So after entering your new password and retype your new password, so if you suspect that someone else is using your Instagram account, make sure this is checked. And after that, simply click on change password. And with that, your password is going to change in Instagram without any stress. So basically, this is how to change your Instagram password without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.